Hey Ajay, standing alone?
Alone, probably 7 years back, not today. Let me show you who we are and now what we are.
Show any fear. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to.
शायद मैंने तो नहीं सोचा था इतनी बड़ी कंपनी हो जाएगी, मतलब है ना। मैं तो ये लगता था कि 5 से ज़्यादा 50 हो जाएंगे। बट कभी सर राजा के सर के साथ सोचते तो उनका तो एक विजन ही अलग था कि हम काफ़ी आगे तक जाएंगे। ऐसी मतलब अब यही है कि हम लोग पहले जैसे छोटे थे 5 से, है ना, फिर हम मतलब एक शॉप थी, मतलब वही 12 बाई 20 की समथिंग 200-250-300 स्क्वायर फीट का एरिया था। तो वहाँ से फिर हम लोग एक और शॉप ली, 1000 स्क्वायर फीट में ऑफिस किया। उसके बाद सीधा जब मूव हुए मतलब 2500 स्क्वायर फीट में और बड़ा हम लोगों ने 100 लोगों के लिए स्पेस ढूंढा। तो मतलब मुझे थोड़ा सा ये हुआ कि हाँ अब कंपनी बड़े लेवल पर जा रही है और चीज़ें थोड़ी सी चेंज हुई।
Journey. Did you experience roller coaster ride?
Regularly.
That's what cloudinology is for you. Never stable, dynamic environment, young people, new faces, new blood, new demands, जिसको fulfill.
मैं तो कंपनी और ऊपर वाला से यही दुआ करता हूँ कि जैसे हमारी सर सूर्य भगवान की तरफ प्रकाश फैलाए और फैलाते रहें और हम लोग भी जैसे जीते रहें।
तो गाइस अब हमारे साथ है आशीष भैया, ये हमारे कंपनी के मेल डॉन है। सारी टीम उनसे डर के रहती है। अगर किसी ने भी अपने प्लेट में खाना छोड़ा तो उनको ये छोड़ते नहीं है और फोटो खींच के नोटिस बोर्ड में बिल्कुल डाल देते हैं। आशीष भैया खुद से प्रभावित है।
अपने काम से मतलब।
सो हाँ, मजा आ रहा है अभी तो, बस वो अलग बात है कि टाइम नहीं मिलता अपने लिए।
तो ये कैसा मजा है, आप जो दूसरे ले सकते हैं कि नहीं ले सकते हैं इसको?
हाँ ले सकते हैं, बस थोड़ा सा गर्लफ्रेंड नाराज हो जाएगी तो होगी।
So now I can see you are a very good Android developer. So can you please elaborate the journey from Salesforce developer to Android?
डेवलपर नहीं है, फुल स्टैक डेवलपर है।
अभी आपने जो पिछले में पूरा Android का राग बना पाया ना।
So hi all, now we have Soumya with us, as you all know, like the very famous Soumya, she needs no introduction.
Before you ask me another question, like I feel like a celebrity. The way you said I do not need any introduction.
I was introducing a project and we have a client call and my team lead was supposed to be there in the call, but unfortunately due to some circumstances he was not there and I have taken the call and he has explained me all the requirements and I have got it and then after my team lead was asking like have you completed the task and what was the requirement and I was not able to understand it, just I said got it then he said you have got it.
So I just wanted to ask you one fun memory in Cloud Analogy which you will always remember throughout your life.
I think there was a time where one ice cream vendor came just alongside our office and Ajay sir, our company CEO, was there and he was like, I want to offer ice cream to all our team members, and I remember that person, that vendor was short of ice cream and we were having so many good memories. So one of that memory I remember on that chilling summer we were having ice cream and we were working. So
tell me your favorite person from both the locations.
I have a very good bond with you since you're sitting in front of me, and they can share anything with me. I'm like, oh, pretty chill. So that's all.
So जैसे आपने देखा इन्होंने ऐड किया, since you're sitting in front of me, I have a very good bond with you.
Yeah, let's grow with us guys. Join करो, आगे मिलते हैं और फन करते हैं। क्या पता किसी नए के आने से मैं ऑफिस पार्टी से बैन हट जाए मेरे ऊपर से।
आपकी पोजीशन बढ़ती है, देन आपकी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी बढ़ती है तो चैलेंजेस बढ़ेंगे और उन्हीं चैलेंजेस को ओवरकम करने का नाम विशाल है।
You must have faced a lot of clients. What are the funniest moments that you have explored throughout in front of client?
Okay, that is really funny. So I got married on Sunday, and on Monday I joined client meeting and they saw mehndi on my hand.
Okay.
And they have asked so many questions regarding that. That's how client got to know कि मैं शादी कर ली है on weekend.
Oh, that's great. And you are so dedicated that you have got married on Sunday and you joined the client call on Monday. That's why you are the important part for Cloud and Energy family.
अजय सर के साथ मेरा इंटरव्यू बहुत अच्छा रहा था, काफ़ी मज़ेदार इंटरव्यू था वो। उसके बारे में ज़्यादा डिटेल में नहीं जाएंगे।
नहीं, हम जानना चाहेंगे आपके साथ इंटरव्यू में क्या हुआ था।
कुछ नहीं,
मुझे भी ऐसे लग रहा है कुछ नहीं हुआ था आपसे।
मैंने घर का दरवाज़ा नॉक किया सर ने दरवाज़ा खोला। मैंने देखा कि 4-5 लोग पहले बैठे हुए हैं और सर को 2-3 बंदों की ज़रूरत थी। मेरे को लगा हो गया मेरा काम तो मैं तो पहले डर गया। मेरे को लगा हो गया, 5 लोग पहले बैठे हैं, मैं सबसे लीस्ट क्वालिफायर होता। फिर अजय सर ने पूछा कि लैपटॉप चला लेते हैं? मैंने बोला हाँ सर। बोलते ठीक है आओ बैठ जाओ। तो दैट्स हाउ आई गॉट सेलेक्टेड।
तो इसका डे शेड्यूल ही ऐसा
बेसिकली मेरी टीम अकेले पिकनिक करती है, मुझे नहीं करवाती।
Like I have 2 technical rounds which I have been cleared successfully, and after that I met with beautiful HR, you can say.
What Ajay sir do is like they fill drawer and snacks for 1 week, and what we do, we finished it 2-3 days, and then Ajay sir will like ये क्या हो गया?
So when did you join Cloud Energy? Actually, I joined Cloud Energy at 2015.
In 6 years. Next we have Kishore.
कितना हुआ? 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 5 साल हुआ। Actually, I joined in 2015. 18 था।
I feel so proud. I feel so proud being a member of this particular community or the company that doesn't believe in stopping and doesn't like care about the limitations that we have.
And then you pull the rug. I was getting kinda used to being so.
I waited for 2 hours for my interview. I had high fever that day, and when it was about 2 hours, I was about to leave, and then their voice came, Megha, come here, it's your turn.
आपको पता आप कंपनी के लायन हो, मतलब सब डरते हैं आपसे। आप कभी होता है ना किंग ऑफ द जंगल टाइप।
ये वो मेरा वेट ज़्यादा बड़ा हो उसे ऐसा लगता होगा। सबसे ज़्यादा टफ डे होता है सैटरडे को डिप्लॉयमेंट।
How it feels, it's easy to say, but it's never the same. I guess I kinda like the way you help me escape. Now the day bleeds into night.
I was in the interview by Ajay sir and sir, and they were just asking for the question like how you did that. So could you try run for me? I was like, नहीं सर ये तो नहीं हो पाएगा, 4 महीने तो कोडिंग करता है। So Ajay sir like, okay Rajat, we will let you know. And after a month I got email from HR that you are selected for the HR round. I was like, seriously? This possible?
there were times like when we do parties on Friday night and we used to go to trips on mountains or somewhere for 2 days.
And then you pulled the rug. I was scared and kinda used to being so.
और हम इस लाइव इंटरव्यू में सचिन सर को कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस भी देना चाहेंगे। उनकी अभी अभी शादी हुई है,
Thank
बड़ा
you.
टाइम निकाल के उन्होंने शादी करी।
ये लाइव चल रहा है?
हाँ हाँ।
Oh my god, that was not good.
शादी से याद आया सर, सचिन अभी आपकी जैसे रिसेंटली शादी हुई है, तो आप वर्क लाइफ कैसे मैनेज कर रहे हैं?
जैसे पहले मैनेज करते थे,
कैसे?
as always, dedicated to work, dedicated to my family, both.
It's just all in my head, but you won't see me break. Call you up in 3 days, or send you a bouquet.
It's not about people. Like in company, there are so many things, and the special bond that I can say is the trust between myself and the person.
सबका बॉस खराब होता है, but I'm fortunate to have a good boss with me. Is Mr. Akshay Deeman. For the past 5 years, we had a great work, professional, whichever bond you can say, we share a great bond together.
How I tried to be great for you. I'm flawed by design, and you love to remind me no matter what I do. But you won't see me break. Call you up in 3 days, I'll send you a bouquet.
और बताओ स्निग्धा।
I'm good, Himanshu. आप बताओ, बहुत दिन हो गए आपसे मिले हुए।
Seriously?
Yes, it's been 2 hours.
Oh my god. Okay. Snigdha.
And you're the first to say you want the best thing, but now I know a perfect way to let you go. Give my last hello, hope it's worth it. I'm the first to say that I'm not perfect, and you're the first to say you want the best things, but now I know a perfect way to let you go. Give my last hello, hope it's worth it. See, but now I know a perfect way to let you go. Give my last hello, hope it's worth it. Here's your